Spying on you? Oh, no, I was just observing. Humans are interesting to look at, but only from a safe distance. Is that not what you are? Are you not a human? Well, yes, I'm sure you do have a name that other humans use to get your attention, but I do not know it. I could just ask. Very well, then. What is your name, human? Ah, that is an interesting name. Quite different from the ones that us Merfolk have. It's quite nice, though. Ah, alright. My name is Ulrich. Yes, I am a Merfolk. How could you tell? I suppose the subtle scales on my skin gave that away. But it is quite dark. How are you able to see them so clearly? I suppose the lights are bright enough. You want to see? What exactly do you want to see, human? I knew what you meant. I just decided to tease. But I suppose I could show more of myself. That is such an adorable reaction. Do you like what you see, human? The color of my tail? Oh, it is gold. However, when the light hits it, it looks more orange and red, with some yellow mixed into it. The sunset? I've never seen that before. I don't come up to the surface until dark. I'm actually not allowed to above the surface. That is exactly right. Father would be furious with me if he knew I was here. Oh, I'm here because I love swimming and adventure. I want to learn more about humans and spend time with them. I never even get to leave the kingdom. There is a vast ocean full of mysteries, wonder, and glorious sights. And yet, I'm stuck at home, dreaming of the day I could venture off and do all the wondrous things I wish to. Oh, no, I am not royal. I do live in the kingdom, but I am not royal breeding. I'm not allowed out because my father thinks I'm too young, even though I'm nearly 100 years old. He also thinks that I'm too trusting. Yes, 100 in exactly 5 suns from today. As for why I'm not allowed out, it's because I almost got caught by a human once. They were swimming at night at the same time that I was, and I got a little too close. I was trying to be helpful. They saw me, and suddenly they were drowning. They were not. They were trying to tie me up and claim me as a trophy. Some humans are into what? Pretending to drown. I beg your pardon? You humans like being tied up and kept as trophies. That is beastly. Can't imagine it being enjoyable. Kind of enjoyable? And you know this how? You've heard it is. So you do not partake in those activities. Not your thing. Then what exactly is your thing, sweet human? None of my concern. Well, that's not very nice. We were having such a lovely conversation. Alright, I'll stop teasing. How about a new topic of conversation, Like, why are you at this deck? At such lonely hours? And by yourself, too. That's not very safe, is it? you live nearby. That is quite convenient. No need for a long journey to get home. So, did you come here to look at the water? Needed to get away from your family. I understand. I understand that quite well, dear human. Was it something they did, or said, that made you come here? Concerned about your love life? Are we living the same lives? Because I've had this happen to me before. It's unbearably annoying when they keep asking about it. Exactly. You don't need a spouse to have a fulfilling life. Plus, I'm not ready to have a significant other just yet. I want to explore the ocean before I can settle down. Although, it would not be a terrible thing if I found someone to explore them with me. Oh, no, none of the other merfolk are interesting enough for me. I did like someone once. Smitten by them, actually. But they never felt the same towards me. No need to worry about me, human. I was trying to acknowledge your feelings by sharing my experience. And now it sounds like this conversation is about me. So, back to you. Is there a human you're possibly interested in? Or do you not care for it? They used to be. I see. Were they not up to your standards, or did you just realize they were not good enough for you? They thought you weren't good enough. Well, that's just a lie. You seem like such a wonderful human. Yes, human. I'm aware we've only just met, but I can feel your aura of sorts. It's strong, endearing, and full of positivity. You're a wonderful human, and I hope you never let anyone tell you otherwise. Oh, no need to thank me, human. I simply speak the truth. You think I'm sweet? How would you know that when you have not tasted me? It is quite easy to fluster you, isn't it? Yes, you are blushing. I have great vision, so I can see it. Also, thank you for thinking that I am sweet. Yes, I did understand what you meant. Just because I am Merfolk does not mean I don't understand human patterns of speech. I may not be well versed in everything, but I understand most of it. I'm not mean. I just think it's quite cute when you get flustered. It doesn't take much either. One word and your face turns red as a lobster shell. I could shut up, but I'm quite fond of this conversation that we're having. Even if you're pouting like that, which is incredibly attractive for some reason. My apologies, but this is incredibly amusing to me. You are very cute, and I can't resist making you blush. Oh, that's a very stern look. But I'm afraid it simply makes you more attractive, human. Fluster me. Well, you could try, but I don't know if you'd be able to find my weakness. You're a bit close there. I don't know what you mean. This did nothing to me. My face is not red, and I do not get flustered, human. Cold-blooded, eh? Pretty? I am not pretty when I blush. Why would you even say that? You're getting quite close, human. What are you... What are you trying to do? You want to kiss me? But I am not of your kind. Well, at least not fully. Why would you want to do that? You just want to. Oh my. I would also like to partake in you. I would also like to kiss you. Yes, you may kiss me, human. That was quite nice. I've not felt romance like that in some time. Could I kiss you again, please?
Hey, buddy. Bit late to be out on a stroll in the dark, eh?
You should go before he gets upset and comes over here. I do not wish to leave you either, but you shouldn't get into trouble because of me. I will see you again soon, human. I promise. I will miss you too, human. But this is not goodbye. Just farewell for now. Now you go. Get home safely. I will see you again soon, sweet human.